If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, then please click the red button and then the bell icon to be the first to watch my videos. Thank you. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how will you download pro version or pay version of apps for free. So let's get started. But before I actually start the video, I would like to tell you one thing, that you will not be able to download all the paid version apps. I mean, you can download only those which are available for free. All are not available for free. For some you have to pay. I'm telling you, apps like the KineMaster, Video Show, Viva Video, these apps pro version can be downloaded for free in this method. So let's get started. So first you have to download this app, AC Market, but you will not get this in the Play Store. For this you have to open Chrome. I'm opening Chrome. You can open any browser you want and type AC Market. See, here you have. Look at the first result, AC Market cracked Google Play Store and Android apps download. Click on that and you will get an interface like this. So click on download AC Market and you will see that the app will get downloaded, but this will not come to your home screen as it has been downloaded in the device but not installed. So you have to go to the downloads and first install the downloaded AC Market, and then you have to allow the permission to the home screen. Only will you be able to access it. So now once you have downloaded it, click on AC Market and you will get an interface like this. It's very similar to Play Store, but it is of course different from it. So click on the search part and type the app you want. As I said, all apps are not available here. You can go for KineMaster. See, and you can just click on it and install. And yeah, let me tell you one more thing. This AC Market is not very much advanced, not as advanced like Google Play Store. So what happens in Google Play Store, once you install it, you will get only two buttons, uninstall and open, when you open the same app in the Play Store. But here it will not happen like that. See, you can see here install and version, but actually I've already installed this KineMaster. If you want to see, I can show you. See, KineMaster, and this is the pro version. If you don't believe, I'll show you. Here I open KineMaster and see over here, I already have a media selected. What happens usually, when you select a media, you get a watermark made with KineMaster, but here it's not here. This means that this is a pro version. I hope you believe it now. And now let's go back to AC Market, and now I prefer you to go to version and select the latest version, but as you wish, you can do anything, and then click install. It will take some time and the KineMaster Pro version will be installed for free. You don't have to pay anything for that. Let me tell you about some other apps too. See here, KineMaster, MX Player Pro, Viva Pro, Power Director, uTorrent Pro, Video Show Pro. These all apps are paid or pro version, but over here in AC Market you will get them for